Adding integers. Adding integers is just like combining red and yellow discs. You combine positives and negatives. Or you can combine negatives and negatives, or positives and positives. Here we have, let's exhibit positives and negatives, because actually let's start with negatives. So here we have -2, and I'm going to combine that with positive or -1. So what we end up with is -3. We can do that with positives also. +2 combined with +2 ends up with +4. So let's see what happens when we combine positives and negatives. So an addition problem could be +2 combined with -2. Now remember, zero pairs are going to be helpful now. Let's represent +2, and I'm going to combine it with -2. Remember, our zero pairs cancel each other out. These two are gone, these two are gone. You're left with 0. So that answer is 0. Let's try another example. Let's try -2 combined with +4. Let's see what we get. So let's start off with our -2. There's your -2. And you're going to combine that. Remember, plus means combine. So you're going to combine that with +4. Now remember, take out your zero pairs because they are worth nothing. So those two are gone. We'll pair these two up, and those two are gone. And we are left with 2 positives. And if you can tell, 2 of these cancel out 2 of those, leaving with 2 of those, which are 2 positives. Let's try another example. How about -5 combined with +1? You start off with your -5s, or -5, and you add in +1. So I'm combining a -5 combined with +1. Zero pairs go away because they're worth nothing. And here in this example, you're left with -4. And as you can see from the addition problem, we've got 5 reds and 1 positive. Remember, one of these cancel out one of these, leaving 4 negatives. So that's the process of adding and actually adding integers. You have to remember the zero pairs when it comes into play. So let's try it without the discs. Let's try it with -5 combined with +4. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negatives, and you're going to combine that with 4 positives. Okay, circle out your zero pairs because they are worth nothing, and you're left with -1, that little -1 right there. One more example should set you in place there. How about we'll start with positive. How about +5 combined with -8? So you have 5 positives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have 8 negatives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, zero pairs go away. There's 5. Zero pairs, and you're left with, you got it, -3. So hopefully with the discs and with the zero pairs, the positive and negative signs will help you add integers.